So guys, I don't know what happened in our live, but we just lost feed. So I'm just gonna make a small clip because I don't know what happened in our live. So this is just our French toast breakfast with bacon and of course our Jamaican fried plantain. So the kids are like waiting patiently to eat. So I'm gonna help them out to eat now.
Bobby, look.
Oh.
My look.
What?
Look at Mickey.
Mickey, put your plate down, please.
What are you doing?
Just cutting it for you into smaller.
Like it's like so many. It's so many.
That way it's better for you, okay? And you want bacon?
Yeah. One and just two.
One and just two? And two plantain? Okay.
What about two bacons?
Eat that one first. And we have to leave enough for grandma and daddy too.
And what about Mickey? What about Mickey?
And Mickey as well.
Oh, this one.
Mickey, you happy for your bacon? For your French toast?
I'll pick one.
Pick one? Okay. This one or that one?
Pick one.
Okay.
This one.
Mm.
This is so tasty. Well, baby, come here.
Okay, Mickey, pick it up. Okay. Mickey! Okay. Alright, there. Here's your fork too.
It's so tasty.
It's so tasty?
I'm excited to eat all of it.
Oh, yeah?
I can use all of the bacon.
Okay.
Nobody has else. Oh. Honey, look, I have a cup here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mickey, take your hand out of it. I'm serving.
You're deserving or deserve? Did you say deserving or deserve?
I said I'm serving. I'm serving.
I said if you deserve it or you're serving.
So grandma, you can cut the fish. Look at Mickey plate. Mickey plate have on more berry than everybody else's plate.
Yeah, why?
I don't know. She did that. I mean,
Just one bacon.
One knife if it cut.
No more things for you, or you Mickey's gonna be full.
Yeah. I'll give you guys some orange juice.
Ooh la la, that hurts. I said ooh la la, that hurts. Well, time to swirl. Here we go up. Here we go down. Here we go up.
Mm-hmm. Okay, guys. Yes, I think my breakfast was like it. What you say, Daddy?
Slapway.
A slapway. Yeah.
Enjoying the bacon. Enjoying it.
Oh yeah. Mhm. Mickey is good. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. So my little plate here, so I'm gonna eat it now. So food is good. Mhm. Thank you guys for joining us today. We did a live, but the live, I don't know what happened to my live at the end. We got disconnected, so you know, I just said I make a little video to show the breakfast. All missing is some tea. I'm gonna make some tea.
You can't say it's mine. It has to be mine.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today for our breakfast. If you guys want to see how I did this breakfast, you guys can go and check out my live video and it'll show you how to do it. Thanks. Bye.
Actually, we should have get